Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use Google as a calculator for complex equations. Let's start with something simple. Open up your web browser and go to www.google.com, and in the search bar, type 12 plus 5 and hit enter. Google will show you that the answer is 17. Now let's try an equation with parentheses. So let's try this one. Three multiplied by, and then we insert parentheses here. 8 plus 4, for example. And then press enter. Google will solve the equation giving you the result 36. For more advanced example, let's calculate the sine of 60 degrees. Type in sine and then parentheses 60 degrees. So just like this, I will show you. Google will provide you with the value of 0.8660254. So we'll stop there. And that's it. You now know how to use Google as a calculator for complex equations. It's like having a versatile math assistant at your disposal. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use Google as a calculator for complex equations. See you on my next video.